This is another one of those social commentary type pictures. It's based on the notion, as I was a teacher and lecturer for a while, that modern teaching is basically parrot fashion teaching, which means you basically put something on the board and the students copy it. And so I wanted to render this out in some kind of form to represent this kind of approach and ideology, which I don't really like. You know, you're repeating everything basically, you're not learning anything. And so it's got modern education system written on the book and teaching, etc. And it's got repeat after me, repeat after me, and basically the best form to show this was to be actually a parrot. And I found this beautiful picture of McCall, which I then rendered out using having a mitre board to represent he's the teacher. And that was the whole point of this. It's just a social commentary on the teaching system we have.